Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lagging issue on iOS 16.4.1. So guys, if your iPhone is lagging on iOS 16.4.1, you can try the following steps to address the issue. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can help resolve temporary software glitches that may be causing the lagging. Press and hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, and then after this the next solution is update your apps and iOS version. Ensure that all your apps and iOS software are up to date. Developers often release updates that address bugs and improve performance, including lag issues. So guys, simply open the App Store. So go to the updates tab. So update all your apps. So I have updated it. And then after this go to settings to update the software. Go to general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, update your iPhone to the next version if the update is available. So after this the next solution is clear app cache. Some apps store temporary data that can accumulate and cause lag. Clearing the app cache can help improve performance. However, note that all not apps provide an option to clear cache for apps that do allow it. So go to settings, go to general, tap on storage. So scroll down and scroll down and tap on any app and tap on offload app to clear will cache. So reinstall app. So guys, after this the next solution is free up some storage space. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So I have a lot of storage space available in my iPhone. So go back, and then after this the next solution is disable background app refresh. Background app refresh allows apps to refresh their content in the background, which can contribute to lag. To disable this feature, go to settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap here and tap to turn this off. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.